Hi, my name is Gary, and today we're going to explore how to better manage workloads. We live in a challenging world, and work environments can be very complex. Yet, there are certain aspects of our job that are hygiene, that needs to be actioned, but are quite laborious in nature. Let's pick a very simple task to open Outlook, read the attachment, open a CRM, type the data from the attachment into CRM and save the attachment. Now, it's a fairly simple task, but imagine doing 15 to 100 records on a daily basis, day in and day out. This would take away valuable time, and it could be better spent talking to your customer and actioning high value items. So if you're a business owner or even an employee trying to improve the outcome for your organization, this video is for you. So what we have here is an email with an attachment. And let's open that attachment. It's an Excel file, and it's got 12 records in it. The records are basically your name, date of birth, phone number, email, company name, role in company, and address, so on and so forth. Let's close that. We're going to take that information and put it into the CRM. For the purpose of this exercise that needs to be unread. And how we're going to do it is we're going to use a platform developed by UiPath, leaders in RPA, robotic process automation. This is the developers platform, and you also have a UiPath assistant of the place from where you can run the bot. Now, let's run this file and see what it does. Also, we have to save the attachment over here and move the attachment as well. So right now this folder is empty, and we will observe this after the action is complete. This is a simple system built with Microsoft. You can view all the fields over here, and if the user had to do a manual entry, they would simply click the plus sign, type out the information, and click save as well. So let's go ahead and run the bot and see what it does. So we're running it from the developers UiPath Studio, and we're going to hit that run button. There you see it has identified the buttons, and now it is inputting all the names. Now imagine if you were doing this, there is not only scope for error with the numbers and the email addresses, but it also takes away all your valuable time where you could have better conversations with your customer to solve their problems, but also to cross-sell and upsell. So while the bot is doing its work, let me explain a little bit about the platform. It is developed by UiPath. It's called robotic process automation. It also involves AI and machine learning at a more advanced stage. This is a very simple process to give you a demonstration of the capabilities of using a software bot. So think about your process, or think about your workload, and understand aspects of your workload that the bot can better assist you to action better, to therefore manage your workload and deliver better outcomes for the organization. I will also put a link in the video where you can go ahead and sign up for free to the UiPath platform, and then just have a play around and look at developing very basic, simple processes. If you want to develop more complex processes, there's a wider conversation with the entire business team to the direction you'll need to take, and you need to definitely call in the big guns for that, because there's a lot of governance required. So there we see the bot actioning all the fields one by one in a very systematic and precise manner. Very, very little chance for error, and that chance is owing to either system failure or a non-responsive website or CRM. Again, all of this is built into when the system and the process is developed. There you have it. The bot has finished doing all the records. So it has executed, and you get a log here of the execution and completion. So that took 7 minutes 32 seconds. There's a video app running in the background as well, otherwise it is much faster. Now let's go and have a look at the initial file I was talking about. So as you can see, the bot saved the file in this folder. Now what we're going to do is move the file across. I could have run the file across in the same trigger when the bot was initially triggered. However, there is UiPath marketplace, and you have a lot of applications in this marketplace that are already built, and you don't have to build it from scratch. One such application is called moving the file. So we're going to rename and move the file from this folder into another folder. And we're going to use UiPath Assistant. Hit the run button, and you will see the bot moving the file and renaming the file as well. So you will get a pop-up. I've pre-populated the folder containing files and place to move it to, and then the new file name. So contacts_attachment, and the suffix is I want a date timestamp. So I'm just going to hit the submit button, and as you will see, the bot will move the file, rename it, and have a date timestamp. So when we go to the folder, which is now RPA demo 1, and we've got this is the new attachment here, and it's got a date timestamp. So you will have all your attachments with a date timestamp in the folder, and you won't lose sight of it when it is required. You could store emails, you could store all sorts of things, but this was just a simple demo of opening Outlook, reading the attachments, opening a CRM, typing data, and saving your attachment. So if you like this video and you would like to know more, starting is go and download UiPath. Have a look, have a read. If you want further information, get in touch. My name is Gary, and I'm from Broker Consultancy. Hey, better manage your workload. See you. Bye.